International Preschool. Hey, hey, hey! Clap, clap!
Flying Birds International School. Every child deserves a strong beginning and a nurturing environment where they can grow with confidence. At Flying Birds International School, wadeghar, Kalyan West, we focus on quality education and personal attention for every child. With 6 trusted branches, Flying Birds is committed to the overall growth and development of young learners. We offer playgroup, nursery, LKG and UKG programs designed carefully to match each child's age and learning needs. Under the guidance of our branch head, Ankita Vidyasagar Gayakwad, a qualified M.Sc. in inorganic chemistry, we ensure a balanced approach to learning, care, and discipline. Certified teachers, CCTV surveillance, and a caring environment help children feel safe, confident, and happy at school.
Let's go! Flying birds, we are happy, we are cool. Sing with me, dance with me.
Admissions are now open, with limited seats available.
Tap your feet.
Flying Birds International School, wadeghar, Kalyan West, where every child grows with care and confidence.
Little birds learning how to fly. Hey, hey, hey! Flying Birds International Preschool.